Hi, I'm Rick Geary with RWM Home Loans,
And I'm Randy Kramb.
and we are here to invite you to a veterans workshop to teach you everything about military home loans. We will teach you how to slide into a new home, and we're going to have sliders, burgers, and some sips for you. Bring everyone, even the kids. It's a relaxed, comfortable environment. It is on Tuesday, November 5th from 6 to 8 p.m. at our RWM branch in Aliso, Viejo.
Listen up, if you're active duty military, a veteran in the Coast Guard, the National Guard, or Reserves, and you haven't used your VA home loan benefits, then stop paying rent. Get on the equity train.
Absolutely. Matter of fact, the veterans community in Orange County is the least served community in the country. And we need to get the message out there for the veterans to realize those benefits you've earned by taking care of us. It's our way of saying thank you.
You know, so many veterans come to our workshop and feeling that they're not going to qualify based on some credit issues or no money in the bank or whatever. I am so happy to tell you that we close loans every day for veterans who put zero money down and have zero money in savings. It's the way the program is structured. It's a benefit for service to your country.
And not just purchases, but refis. We're actually doing a transaction now saving a veteran $2,000 a month in cash flow. And VA was the absolute best option for him, and he didn't realize he could do it until he called us. So let us teach you those things. We're happy to have you there. And we look forward to seeing you and meeting you in person. Relaxed environment. We'll answer all your questions.
Thanks so much, Rick, and we'll see you guys there.